Meaning of eyebrow.
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 Eyebrow. An eyebrow is a patch of hair above the eye socket that helps to protect the eyes and assist in communication. Eyebrows serve as an important facial feature that conveys emotions and expressions, such as surprise, skepticism, anger, or sadness. They also play a role in regulating temperature and keeping sweat and moisture away from the eyes. Eyebrows come in various shapes and sizes, and can be groomed or styled for aesthetic purposes. Overall, eyebrows are an essential aspect of human anatomy and communication.